I just got back from looking big meat. I am very toasted. I look like a lobster. But let's be real, you didn't come on here to look at my sunburn. You came because the title underneath this video describes exactly what you're looking for. This is the ultimate, or at least in my personal opinion, the ultimate exhaust setup for your 30R that you can possibly manage to get current year, current date. This is the current best setup right now for 30R exhausts. This is the closest exhaust note you can get to a Porsche or any sort of, you know, high-end German flat six, which there's only one of. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the final put together and install of exhaust megaphones on version 8 or 9. So, hope you enjoy. I'm sorry, I don't like to do this. I hate watching YouTube videos that do this, so I'm going to do it very quickly. I'm going to try and divulge all the information about the system as I can in a very short span of seconds here. All right, first part, you have to upgrade the headers. These are Raptor supercharger Raptor headers for the 30R. You have to have these. You will lose all potential power if you don't use these. Stock headers sound great, but the Raptor headers, everything we do past them corrects all the sound issues that you have with Raptor headers with all the added power. Raptor headers. MagnaFlow high flow cats. Very important, especially if you want to stay emissions compliant. After that, we have a MagnaFlow X pipe. After that, right now, at least in the current system, what you're going to watch in just a few moments is previous to the exhaust megaphones. You'll see it in the text on the screen. After that, that's post megaphones. So the megaphones have been installed in the later half of the sound clips. After the exhaust megaphones, or after the X pipe, depending on what section of clips you're listening to, goes up into a pair of big cans. These are Kakimoto Racing Regu06&R titanium mufflers. They're the best bang for buck sounding mufflers you can buy for the BLBP chassis, hands down. I'll stop yapping, get back to the video. got any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Take care.